If P plus Q is equal to 12 and PQ is equal to 14, we have to find the value of P square minus PQ plus Q square. So P plus Q, the first equation we have, is equal to 12. Let's square both the sides. So P plus Q whole square is equal to 12 square. This is in the form of A plus B whole square, and we can expand it as P square plus Q square plus 2PQ. 12 square is 144, or P square plus Q square plus 2, and value of PQ from the question here is 14. So let's put the value of PQ is equal to 144, or P square plus Q square, we send 14 times 2, 28 to right hand side. So it will be 144 minus 28, or P square plus Q square is equal to 116. The question is asking P square minus PQ plus Q square. P square plus Q square is 116 minus PQ is 14. So P square minus PQ plus Q square is equal to 116 minus 14, or P square minus PQ plus Q square is equal to 102. This is the answer. Like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.